guys, what's up? How are you all? I hope you all be going good. It's been so many days since I uploaded my vlog, and after shadi time ही नहीं मिलता यार what to do. So today I am going for a family dinner with my family to Kharo Cafe Imran, जिसका नाम तो आप लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा सुना होगा. It's so hyped. It's at Highway. I'm pretty very excited to go there. So I have done my makeup. You guys can see my makeup looks so flawless. Now I have to quickly get ready. Once I'm ready, then I'll take you guys along with me for the whole journey that we are going to experience at Cafe Khari. So let's quickly get ready. Hey, let's go.
So finally हम पहुंच गए हैं कैफ़े इमरान and oh my god it was a very long journey, almost 2 hours का journey करके we are at Cafe Imran, but let's see if it's going to be worth it or not. The ambience is really cool, nice, cozy. I really love the space. It's very well constructed. And this is what my outfit is. This is what I wore. I couldn't take the glimpse before because we were running really late and we had to just rush. And I loved their bed system. It was very nice, vivacious. We could sit with the family and have the chit chat. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इनका जो है ये सिस्टिंग सिस्टम. और मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग जो मुझे लगी थी was this waiters serving on the skates. मुझे बहुत ही ज़्यादा exciting लगा था. I had seen this in the reels also and I wanted to see them live. So this was the menu here and we were also confused what to order, and I cannot tell you guys, हमने कुछ ज़्यादा ही over the top चले गए थे. धीरज मामू had given us this treat और उन्होंने इतना ज़्यादा order कर लिया था, I can't tell you. So this were their stuffed cheese, corn, I think something, and they were so yummy, and the cheese pull, oh my god, you can see how cheesy they were, and they were really good. I even had burned my leg because of the cheese falling on it. And then we were having this soup and I really love their food. Jitni bhi jo hype hai about Cafe Imran and people traveling this far, it's really worth it because the food was really good. The presentation, the food, everything was so aesthetic and eye pleasing. Look at the hummus platter, it was also very good. And I even liked these jalapeno cheese fries. They were really good. The jalapeno stuffed with cheese, and look at the presentation. It's so aesthetic, eye pleasing, and their mutton dishes were very yummy. Well, I personally don't eat mutton, but my husband eats and he loved it. He loved all the mutton dishes here, and this is how our table looked like, flooded with food. And I had this steak. The steak was also really good, very creamy, and I loved the mushroom sauce with the steak was so good to die for, very yummy. And we were all so stuffed after eating that we were so tired that hilne ka dil hi nahi kar raha tha. And at last I had this milkshake. I think it was banana strawberry milkshake, but it was very yummy. I really love the food here, and it was almost 12 o'clock and abhi tak aap dekh sakte ho, we were just leaving the place and this place is still crowded, so people from far off places were still coming to this place. And the most heartbreaking thing, our bill. We are back and just look at the time. It's 2 o'clock, almost 2-3, and we are back right now, and we had left at 7 o'clock in the evening. It was a distance of 2 hours from Karachi, but trust me, it was worth it. Now I wonder why जो लोग हैं इतना दूर ट्रैवल करते हैं खारों के अंदर कैफ़े इमरान का फूड ट्राई करने के लिए. इट वॉज टू क्राउडेड बट द फूड चमेश्वरी. वी लव द एक्सपीरियंस, द वाइब, the ambience, the food, everything was so good. It was a thrilling time with family. We had lots of fun. So I am tired right now because it's 2 o'clock and I'm exhausted. So I'll see you in my another vlog. Until that, keep loving and keep supporting. See you. Bye bye.